Lasizwe Dambuza, would you and your team like to pay me for breaching the contract we had? Or are you guys going to keep ignoring me and lying at every turn and saying that you're going to give me a response and saying that you guys are going to get back to me and saying that you're going to have a meeting and saying that there's going to be an outcome? Because from what I understand, you guys breached a verbal contract, you breached a written contract, and I don't know what contract you gave to MultiChoice, because I would think that MultiChoice would not air my episode knowing full well that I did not sign that contract in full agreement. So then my question is, Lasizwe, to you and your team, what contract did you give MultiChoice? What contract did you and the production company give to MultiChoice to say I'm happy with my face being aired on TV after I specifically stated that I'm only giving you permission to use that episode for social media? Your own PA acknowledged this and apologized, I'm assuming after you told him to, and apologized and said they were going to rectify this. I was then told that the production company is going to be in touch with me to compensate me or to discuss compensation. Instead, the production company is now saying, no, they need to have a meeting with all stakeholders, which is you, MultiChoice, and them. So between the production company, Wena Lasizwe, and MultiChoice, who is keeping my money and not giving me my money? Who is withholding the apology that I rightfully deserve? Who between the three of the stakeholders involved in this thing decided that, no, let's go against the contract we signed with Dominic and go against the verbal contract we have with Dominic and end the episode, because you know what? That episode is going to give us numbers. I know you know my value because my episode was the first episode you aired when you got the opportunity to be on TV. The crazy thing is I've been trying to settle this privately with emails, phone calls, and you're just ignoring me. You have now reverted to just ignoring me. And all the other people are telling me how much you didn't pay them. I'm not here to fight other people's battles. But my face, my voice, and unfortunately my job is my face, my voice, and my body. That's how I support my family. So you are basically using me and hey, Lasizwe mfana ngiyacela bandla ngicela nizame ukungiphendula because angazi ngizitshelwani. Nisephutheni iphutha yileni but mina ujahana nani? Iphutha yileni but mina ujahana nawe manje.
Abazala bakamzitho, that is uDominic Zaca, guys. Uthi uDominic ucela imali yakhe from uLasizwe. So this is not the first time Dominic making this kind of a video or talking about this issue on the internet, guys. uDominic no Lasizwe made an interview. Lasizwe has that show that is called an All-Cut Date. So uthena bebavumelene ukuthi ubazovuma on YouTube, not on TV. So since bavele on TV ucela imali le MultiChoice ibhadale uLasizwe for yena uthavele lapho. Guys, if they did have a contract, guys, let's just be fair. uDominic has all the right ukuthi athole imali. If they had an agreement and a contract, ngoba uyasho ukuthi it was a verbal and a written. So if they have a contract, uLasizwe makabhadale uDominic, and there is no need ukuthi ignore bangayiqeda lento le off internet. Angithi njengoba bavumelana off internet. I don't know mina ukuthi why people are saying uDominic uthanda drama. This time, guys, Dominic is right. If they had an agreement and the content on TV, Lasizwe made a lot of money ngale interview ya Dominic. So why not Dominic angatholi shake? If bavumelene, only if bavumelana, it's understandable. But if bavumelene, so uLasizwe ayangabhadali Dominic, and ever since Dominic has started talking about Lasizwe scamming him imali or her imali, uLasizwe has never said anything on social, has never seen anything ekhulunywa uLasizwe. I don't know what is wrong, but uyasho Dominic ukuthi uLasizwe keep on saying bazobuya kuye bangabuyi kuye. So I don't know what is the way forward, but I hope Dominic uzothi makasayitholile imali, she'll come back on the socials and say, you know what, uLasizwe has finally paid me. But so you can comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ganentreg.